good tasting chicken. Been really enjoying these chickens with you, my bud. I can't wait to enjoy our last 3. I love that we take our turns. It's your turn, and then my turn, and then your turn, and then my turn with the chicken, and the way that we eat it. I love that. My last one tasted delicious. I can't wait for my next one. You must be excited for your next one as well, probably, I would assume. I don't know. Are you? Are you excited for your next piece of chicken? Dude, I said I was really excited to eat my chickens with you. The last 3. Are you also excited to eat the chickens with me? Tell me if you're excited for your next piece of chicken, I guess. I don't care. So, I don't care if you're excited for your next piece of chicken. Say it, though. The chicken's been so good so far. I always look forward to my turn right after your turn because of how much I love the chicken. And I think you love the chicken too. Say it. Say you love the chicken. Dude, I'm hungry for the last 3. My appetite's only been partially quenched, dude. Dude, why aren't you looking at me? It's your turn to eat the chicken. Tell me you love it and take your turn. I can't take my turn without you taking your turn. So take your turn. Dude. Please just take your turn. I want this chicken. I want this chicken. Where's your chicken excitement? Why are you not answering me? You yellow tapeworm ass maggot? You little green bug caterpillar maggot? You stink bug ass maggot? You little love bugless, loveless, stupid little no tiny butt little maggot? You chicken? 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 I'm ready for my chicken! I'm getting hungry. I'm getting too hungry, dude. You're hungry too, I see it. I see you're hungry too. I need the chicken. You need the chicken. Come on, this isn't just about me. This is bigger than me. This is bigger than you, man. This is bigger than us. Dude, come on. We're eating these chickens together, man. We were hungry. We were just hungry boys. We were just hungry boys and we were eating chicken together. We gotta take our turns. If we don't take our turns, it's all anarchy, dude. Come on, dude! Come on! I need you to give me something here. Like we were given chicken, dude. You need to give me an answer. Please. It tasted so good. It still does, dude. It still can. Dude, bud, friend, babe, bud, dude, bud. I don't get my turn unless you take your turn. You know how this goes. This is you. You did this. I'm sorry it's gonna be this way. But you left me no other choice. Oh. He's dead.